Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video of dynamic positioning. At the same time, vessel working in a platform with a closer look of what is platform look like. So ito po, bali mayroong helicopter operation sa may offshore platform installation. So sa mga video ko po, nakikita nyo rin yan na may mga madalas may mga helicopter operation. So yan, nasa DP po tayo yan, and we are some kind of a in operation on a DP system. At the same time ay we're doing some kind of a ROV operation on the offshore platform installation. So ito po, we're just gonna be showing you the closer look of what is offshore platform look like. So madalas na nakikita po ninyo yung yung mga platform sa may video ko ay medyo malalayuan. So yan ay kinunan ko na lang ng medyo malapitan during safety inspection. Napadaan po ako dyan, then I just take a closer look sa my offshore platform.